So they provide you with a 10% of target and 10% of maximum drawdown, that is fixed type of drawdown in their one step challenge. So one step challenge, only one target will be there. Now 10% drawdown, fixed type of, and 10% is the target. It brings the profit to drawdown ratio, if you calculate, to 1:1, which is the lowest in the industry. That means their challenge is the easiest challenge that you can find in the entire industry. Their profit share as well, it is up to 80 to 90%, and their two-step model as well, it is very competitive. Their profit to drawdown ratio, it comes around 1:1.3 only. So I'll let you know everything in details. Make sure to watch till the end of this video. Namaskar all traders and welcome. So this video will be on Challenge4trading's Propfirm, which is comparatively new firm. However, the funding programs that they are coming up with, that they are offering is highly competitive in the industry. Before moving ahead, if you have not subscribed the channel yet, then make sure to subscribe the channel. So without wasting time, let's move to the website and discuss on their funding programs. Basically, they provide you with a two type of funding program. One is basic type of program, that is two-step challenge which is very common type of challenge program that you can find in the industry, that is two-step challenge model. And second type of funding program that you can find out here is advanced type of program, that is a one-step challenge program. So this is the website of Challenge4trading Propfirm. If you see out here, all the amounts that I'm going to describe out here, it will be on euro, not the dollar. So euro, of course, like it's approximately 7% higher the rate of the dollar. So you can go with the challenge of up to 500,000 euro out here. This is the maximum capital size that you can get out here. It's a challenge account, $500,000, 500,000 euro account you can go with. So as you can check, 85% profit share that they are giving out here. And if I go down, scroll down a little, you will find out basic type of funding program, that is two-step challenge, and advanced type of funding program, that is one-step challenge out here. And these are the available account size that you can find in a basic and in advanced, both are same. Now let's try to just take this most popular one, 100k account. And if you see, this is the two-step challenge program, and time limit is none out here. Step 1 and step 2, none. And in funded as well, none. It's like unlimited time to achieve your target. There is no pressure in achieving the target. And minimum trading days, there will be a minimum trading days of at least 3 days. You have to trade for at least 3 days. That means you have to have at least one unique trade for 3 days. So that is the condition out here in order to move from one step to another. And in funded, only one minimum trading days is there in order to be eligible for withdrawing your profit. And maximum overall loss is 10% out here. That is fixed and static type of loss. That means if you have a 100k account, at any point of time during your trading period, at any point of time, your equity or balance should not go below 90k. So that is the condition out here. In 90k, it will remain fixed and static. If you read this, you will come to know. And maximum daily loss is 5%. So 5% is the maximum daily loss, which is which will be calculated from your highest of equity or balance at the starting of the day. At 0.00 p.m. at 0.00 a.m. and the profit target will be 8%. In step 1, profit target will be 8%, and in step 2, profit target will be 5%. Now let me try to show you something out here. See, 10% is the drawdown that they are offering, and 8% and 5% is the profit that they are expecting. Now if you calculate the risk to reward expectation or profit to drawdown ratio, that is commonly said, so it comes around 1:1.3. The way we calculate is 10:8 plus 5. So it comes around 10:13. So 1:1.3. So that is the risk to reward expectation out here. That is profit to drawdown ratio. So you can see most of the Propfirm, they offer you with a risk to reward expectation of 1:5, 1:1.5, 1:1.6, like that. So this is kind of if the risk to reward expectation is lower, the challenge will be kind of easier. That somehow it signifies that the target is lower compared to the maximum loss that they are offering out here. Now profit split is 80%. It starts from there and it can end to 90%. And refundable fees, yes, it will be refunded once you pass the challenge and withdraw your first profit with your first profit split, you get your fees refunded. And price out here is 550 euro. Mind you, it is not a dollar, it is a euro, so you get the account as well 100 euro. So like if you calculate in dollar terms, it will be approximately 107k dollar. So that is the thing out here. 7% is the difference in the rate of the euro and dollar. And this is the basic type of funding program that you can find out here. Now let me just take you to the advanced program, which I find it very, very attractive based on the profit to drawdown ratio. So these are the available account size that you can find, and I'll request my video editor to put the pricings as well out here. And if you go with the 100k account, the time is unlimited. Of course, there is no maximum time limit, no pressure to achieve your target. And minimum trading days is only 1 out here instead of 3. Only 1 minimum trading days you can find out here. And maximum overall loss is 10%. Now this is fixed type of loss. If you go out here and read this, you will come to know it is a fixed type of loss, and 10% is the fixed type of loss out here. Most of the Propfirm, what they offer a 6%, and that too a trailing type of drawdown. So that's why like this is something like very unique out here. And maximum daily loss is 5%, and profit target, if you see again out here, it is 10%. Now like if I just take out the profit to drawdown ratio, it comes around, like compared to the drawdown that they are offering, they are only expecting the 10% target. So that is 1:1, so which is kind of like one of the lowest ratio and one of the easiest challenge in the industry. So that is the thing. However, they will compromise in something which I'll show you just in a while. If you let me just show you right now only the pricing. If you see the pricing, they have kept in a little bit higher point. So that's how they are mitigating the loss. Maybe they are mitigating the risk, maybe. So this is the thing. Like if you see in other Propfirms, what you will find, even if they have a fixed type of maximum loss, they will somehow, you know, like increase the target compared to the maximum loss that they are offering. So like most of the Propfirm actually in one step challenge, you will find the trailing type of drawdown. So profit split is 85%. Profit split starts from 85% out here, and refundable fees, you can get the fees refunded with your first withdrawal out here. So this is it about the challenge programs that they are offering. However, if you check with the pricings, they have a little bit of higher pricings when it compares to other Propfirms. However, if you see with the target and everything, so like it's very reasonable, you know, like it's very reasonable that like they are offering in this rate. That's what I would say. Like that's my review. Like just you can also check on this and do your own due diligence. Now let's look at some important points to remember, or some frequently asked questions. Number first is like scaling plan. What is the scaling plan of this Propfirm? They don't offer an automatic scaling plan like other Propfirms. They have some target, and if you achieve that, they will increase by 25%, like that. They don't have such feature out here. However, once you pass the challenge, once you get the funded account, and if you make a 10% of profit in that, you will get an additional challenge completely free of cost, and that challenge amount will be higher than your account size, which you have currently. Second number of point out here is broker that they use is FXPN, and platform that they are offering is Sirix, and instrument is forex, equities, indices, and crypto and energy you can trade out here. Spread is kind of high, which is approximately 1 pip in a Euro USD or GBP USD. I would recommend you to go to this broker website FXPN and try their platform once, and if you find comfortable, then try with this. Third number of point out here is news trading, and over weekend is allowed. You can trade the news, high impact news or low impact news. You can hold your trades over the weekend. That is no issue out here. Fourth number of point is you get a live and real account once you pass the challenge. Unlike simulated account, which most of the Propfirm offers, you get a live and real account out here once you pass the challenge. Fifth number of point is copy trading is allowed. Of course, not the third party copy trading or public copy trading. It is not allowed in most of the Propfirm, in any of the Propfirm. And out here, you cannot use an expert advisor or robots. Sixth number of point out here is payout is once in a month, and the minimum amount is for the withdrawal is 1,000 euros. So just understand, like, it's kind of negative point out here. Hopefully they will bring an update on this in future. And the methods for withdrawing your payouts are wire, bank wire, or you can use crypto transfer to take your withdrawal out from here. So this is it about the challenge for traders Propfirm. Do let me know in the comment section how do you find this Propfirm, and make sure to do your own due and diligence as well. I'm not any kind of financial advisor. Jumps and FX closing the review on challenge for traders Propfirm. Thank you.